And Prime Minister Andrew Holness, in the meantime, responded to a call from the opposition leader, Mark Golding, for the two to meet at a COVID summit to discuss the health crisis.
I have heard the call, and in the management of the pandemic, I want it to be clear, there is no intention by the government to diminish the very important role of the opposition in assisting the country in a national crisis. But I am not going to be engaged in creating more structures on top of more structures that pull on time for management and attending meetings, when I have to be very careful in the use of my time, along with the cabinet's time and the ministers, to ensure that we are focused.
Mr. Holness instead proposed that he and Mr. Golding work on some other initiatives that he believes could improve the vaccination campaign.
I will, however, meet with the leader of the opposition to further discuss his participation in the community mobilization program which we just spoke about, because he may have some ideas specific to this. For example, we probably should be doing a joint statement together. We might have to produce some joint ads together. So who knows, there might be something to come out of that. So we will meet with the leader of the opposition. I'm certain he will take the opportunity to raise a broad scope of issues, and as it's my job and duty, I will respond. But what I don't want in a time of crisis is, you're going to have everyone coming to say, let's do this, let's do that. That in itself can create a problem.